at the park at Bigo City. So we're gonna giving you more update and twist on what's inside here on the park. So I'm gonna give you some glitz. Here's Bigo City Park. Watch this. That's Jenny. Hey Jen, say wave to the camera. Hey, Miss Poblete, have a wave. And they're playing and they're super duper happy. Happy. This is the view of the park. So seems the view of the park are in the blue corner. That's the city, and the city is in the road. As you can see, that's Dr. Jose Rizal. Sa itaas, ayan, nakita ng madlang people. There we go, that's the monument of Dr. Jose Rizal. So I'll be giving you back here sa mga naglalaro sa park. And they are the madlang people. The Christmas tree for Christmas is ready. So guys, nakita nyo na ang ilan lamang na mga views dito sa loob ng park. And I do hope you enjoy and more at Comaco Dito Summer Blast. Bye!